I'm not big on setting up lots of Christmas decorations for the holidays, but when I went to Hobby Lobby a couple weeks ago, I did see one decoration that caught my eye. This nativity scene made out of old-looking wood. I thought to myself, I can make one of those out of an old fence picket. Welcome to Alley Picked. Today on Alley Picked, I want to show you how I made this from just a picture which I took at the hobby store. You can do it many different ways, but here's how I did mine. My fence picket started out pretty grungy, so I'll clean it using some bleach water and a wire brush. Rinse thoroughly and let it dry for a couple days. I printed off the picture I took at the store and then outlined it with a Sharpie marker. This will be helpful when I enlarge it using the pantograph I made from wooden yardsticks. There's a link at the top if you're interested in making one for yourself. This is a 2-to-1 pantograph. It'll make a copy twice as large as the original. And since I'm not a machine, this will not be a precise duplicate, which is why I go over all the lines using a marker and ruler. To transfer the copy to the wood, I'll use graphite paper. I've used this piece dozens of times already, so the image on the wood is not very dark, but it's good enough to see while I cut all the shapes out on my bandsaw. You can use a jigsaw, scroll saw, or by hand if you have the time. I did have to tweak a couple pieces to get them to fit right. A little glue, then I'll staple the joints on both sides. This took me just a couple of hours to make. It's a great beginner project for yourself, or you can make it as a kit for the elderly or for young people. Now, if you don't have any scrap pickets lying around your house, like some people I know, you can buy one at the hardware store, or maybe you have other scrap wood that you can piece one of these together with. Thanks for watching Alley Picked, where I love making cool things out of junk. And you can love it more if you subscribe. I've got lots more cool videos like this on my YouTube channel. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley. I almost forgot the most important part.